Should be flowing for a few days maybe. This here is where the overflow pipe is, that I believe is a bit clogged up, so it doesn't flow very well. That's okay. This is where it's barely trickling in to this side. You can see the little ripples. Ooh. Oh, that's the wind. So when things are dry and this pond's not overflowing, you can walk down here. See all that green moss, algae, is the border of the pond. And to the left is normally flat and dry, at least in the summertime. That'll clear up. And it'll go back to where that green border is. But for now, it's overflowing. And that's it.